What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at 80 cents, down 0.30, not much movement. Seeing a market cap of 6.93 billion, 24-hour volume 164 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, make sure to sign up, grab up to $8,000 in bonuses or $30,000 on Bybit. These are the two exchanges that I trade on. And make your first deposit. Email me your sign-up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So for the price of Matic here, potentially same thing with Bitcoin. We could be putting in a 1-2-1-2 setup before coming down in that impulsive wave 3. We could also be looking at an ending diagonal where we came down in a wave A, B, C to complete the 1. You would have to be looking at an A, B, C to complete the 2. Potential wave A, B, C, come down for the 3, A, B, C into a 4, and A, B, C into a 5. It would basically bring you down to the same price point in between that 40 to 50 cent range. We'll see how it plays out. If we continue to see this chip chop sideways price action and we don't break down impulsively into a wave 3 here, then it could be that we're going through an ending diagonal. So we'll keep an eye on that playing out. But in the short term, what we're looking for here, we made a 5-way move down. And we're looking for basically an ABC correction into a wave 2 pullback, which would take you in between 84 and 90 cents with a minimum target of the 0.382 at 0.825. Now, if we were to just to break down here and create a lower low, then all you'd be looking at is that the subwave 5 isn't complete yet, and you'd still be looking to come down in that final wave 5 if we were to just come down and break that low. But if we do at least push up to the 0.382 at 0.825, then you can count it as a wave 2 pullback for the price of Matic, and then you would come down in your wave 3. Now looking at our next chart here, we've been watching this head and shoulders on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we broke the neckline. We're currently retesting it. So if we were to see continuation to the downside, your technical target is all the way down here at about 50 cents. But I do think there's a good chance Matic at least pushes a little bit higher. If Matic were to come up and break this wave 2 pullback, then all you'd be looking at, in my opinion, is that that wave 2 correction isn't quite finished yet, but we'll have to see how that plays out. If we pop over to the price of Ethereum, what we're looking at here is that we're looking to come down an ending diagonal in a wave 5, which would consist of an ABC. So we've already come down in a 5-wave move, which could potentially be a wave A, and then you push up in a wave B and look to come down in a wave C. But I think it's more likely that this is just the subwave 1. You'd pull back in a 2, you'd see a 3, 4, 5, and that would complete the wave A. Then you'd see a wave B pull back in a wave C to complete the wave 5. That's what I've been looking for here on the chart, as we talked about in a previous video. So we'd be looking for a rejection. We already met the minimum target at the 0.382. But we'd be looking for a rejection in between 1246 and 1307 in a wave 2 pullback before seeing continuation to the downside, with an invalidation point of 1353. If it did invalidate it, then potentially, I guess you would look at the wave 4 not being complete yet. But as of right now, I do think a likely scenario is that we push up into this yellow box, see a rejection, and then see continuation to the downside. As we can see here, we're pushing back up to retest this trend line of resistance, which we've now run into resistance once, twice, fake out to the upside, 3, basically another fake out. So this is basically 4 times we've tested a resistance, 6 times all together with 2 fake outs. So if we do just get rejected here once again, then you can see that continuation to the downside. And if we do break out, just watch for a potential fake out once again, unless we can come up and break this previous high at about 1348. But I do think you'll slowly make your way down to that $800 price target. All right, gang. So that's what I'm looking at for the price of Ethereum. And of course, for Matic here, I'm still looking to push up into that yellow box for a wave 2 pullback, and then potentially see continuation to the downside in a wave 3. And potentially looking at a 1-2-1-2 setup before coming down in an impulsive wave 3. However, the alternative is that we're looking at an ending diagonal. So you would ABC into a 1. You would ABC into a wave 2. You would ABC down into a wave 3, ABC into a 4, and ABC into a 5. In an ending diagonal, I'll probably open up a fresh chart and draw that out for the next video and make sure that the wave count lines up and matches properly. So make sure to stick around for that. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. Grab those bonuses up to 8K on Bitget. Email me or sign up email, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. You can sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.